Hi, this is Ken Healy, creator of the original idea, and I'm working with Ryan Duffy and Connor Staten. The name of our company is IOM, Inventory Operations Management. We are a car dealer solution for saving time and increasing their online marketing effectiveness at the same time. This is possible due to our single data entry point design. The idea came to me when I noticed that many dealers I looked on their website that they lacked online presence due to the amount of content that needs to be uploaded. So I figured why not make it integrate with the dealer management software and their online marketing and make it all one. Our value proposition is that our software offers an easier way for car dealers to manage their inventory and marketing at the same time, making it easier for car buyers. So a customer relationship is we're going to have one of our employees at the dealership entering all the data virtually instead of physically. So they're going to be scanning barcodes and filling in information that our database tells them to fill it in. Like the channels, so since we're also going to have a website, we're going to have an internal server so people could access us, and then the database that's going to have all the dealership information. Customer segments is car dealerships, and then they're consumers because they're going to be the end user, and we need to validate not only the car dealerships data entry, but also the ease of use for the consumer, which is their end user. Key activity is that our software is going to work properly and make sure that it actually saves customers' time along with the car dealership, because that's our big point in our value proposition is time. Key resource to start is we're going to need to rent a server or server space on the cloud and then be able to purchase servers. And then we also need to provide the beacons to the dealers for the Beacon app, which is an add-on. And then our key partners is we're going to need a software developer and an app developer for the Beacon app. We're going to need to hire someone to maintain our software and servers once we launch and are in full operation. So these are our cost structure. Some of our big costs: software development, server costs, server maintenance. Those are our biggest costs to launch. And then as far as the technology side, and then we're going to be having to pay ourselves, and then we're going to have to pay salary for at least one other employee right off the bat just to help us maintain our server, because none of us really have experience in that. And then we need to have the website developed, and then we need to maintain the domain, which we need to pay for every year. So our revenue streams, we've been playing around with a couple different kinds. This one we said just a big upfront cost, and we were thinking maybe changing it to smaller upfront costs and then per user per month subscription basis. Another popular revenue stream for software. And then the Beacon and app package, we're trying to figure out how we would do that too, is upfront or just per Beacon flat rate. So the way we're going to test the dealerships is we're going to go in and validate on how much time they actually spend entering new inventory into their system, and then along with uploading it to their website for their online marketing. So we would have to go out and talk to the dealers and experience the problem firsthand that we're trying to solve. The results we would like to see is that the dealers actually like our idea and would want to implement it into their system so that they could be more efficient and use it in the future. The next thing we have to do is test consumers, because they're going to be the end user of and beneficiary of the idea. So we believe that most consumers who are in the market are uneducated about what kind of car they want or what type, and they end up buying something that doesn't suit them, or they have post-buyer anxiety. So what we're going to do to test is we're going to talk to car buyers age of 25 to 55 who are walking around in dealerships looking for cars. Odds are they will not know what they're looking for, and we're going to pitch our idea to offer a solution to see if it would make them more comfortable buying a car. And the result we would like to see is that people can use our software and have it benefit them and the dealer at the same time and have a good user experience on the consumer end.